available in the field, like weeds, haze, and all your animal excretas, like from the livestock that are grown in the field. And when these manures are added to the sandy soil, it increases the water holding capacity of sandy soil, because we all know sandy soil is a one in which soil particles are loosely packed, so that it is not possible for that soil to hold the water, whereas the bulk from the manure makes the soil to be tightly packed, or fills the space between the soil particles, and hence it allows the sandy soil to regain the water. Whereas when the manure is added to the clayey soil, it actually increases the space between the soil particles and allows easy drainage of water and prevents water logging. And this addition of manure to the soil also helps us in protecting the environment, because when we add fertilizers, it causes water and soil pollution, whereas these manures do not cause any harm to the soil, and it also helps in replenishing the soil fertility. And based upon the biological materials that are used in order to prepare the manure, they are classified into green manure and compost. Generally, compost are prepared by where the animal waste and plant waste are decomposed by the microorganisms. The process is carried out in such a way that the animal waste and plant waste are collected in a pit, and they are allowed to undergo decomposition in order to form compost. Whereas in certain cases, in order to increase the rate of the composting, earthworms are used. So the process where earthworms are used in order to make compost are called vermicomposting, and the resulting compost is called as vermicompost. Green manure is a one where before sowing the crop plants, certain other plants like guar and hemp are sown and grown on the field, and then they are mulched, that is, they are plowed into the field, so that these green plants will enrich the soil with phosphorus and nitrogen nutrient. Coming to the second artificial method of supplying nutrient to the soil is fertilizers, and these fertilizers are exclusively made up of chemicals by man, and they are rich in minerals, and that too they are rich in nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. But whereas they have disadvantages, because these fertilizers, as they are made out of chemicals, their usage has to be monitored, that is, the amount of fertilizers that are being used and the time duration between which it is being used, and the precautions that has to be followed before and after using the fertilizers have to be strictly monitored. And once the fertilizers are added into the field, there is a chance of large amount of fertilizer getting washed away during irrigation, and they cause a serious threat of water pollution. And hence, comparing the usage of fertilizer and manure, it is always good to prefer manures which are naturally obtained from the uh, biological waste products. And this manure is also a method of recycling the biological waste. There is one more type of farming called organic farming, where the usage of fertilizers, pesticides, and insecticides are strictly prohibited, and instead of that, the soil fertility is enriched by adding organic manures and bioagents, like introducing a cluster of blue-green algae and rhizobium bacteria to fix up the nitrogen and other nutrient requirements.